In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make emoji effect on CapCut. Let's jump right in. Start by opening CapCut. If you're greeted with the home screen, create a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. Picking an aspect ratio that matches where you'll post, like 9:16 for vertical or 16:9 for widescreen, will save time later, but the effect works in any format. Now, add your video. Choose the clip where a person is clearly visible, because the emoji effect relies on detecting a body or face. Good lighting and a centered subject help the detection work more accurately. Before you move on, do a quick trim so the part you want to accent is up front. Shorter segments tend to make visual effects feel punchier and easier to time. Next, open the Effects tools and go to Body Effects. On mobile, you'll find this under Effects on the bottom toolbar. On desktop or web, look for Effects in the panel, then choose Body. When you enter this section, give CapCut a second to identify the person in your footage. It usually does this automatically. From here, switch to the Mood category. This is where CapCut groups playful, reaction-style overlays. Think floating emojis, hearts, and expressive elements that appear around the subject. The mood set is designed to amplify how a moment feels without covering the entire frame. Now choose an effect. Tap an option to preview it instantly on your clip. Look for a style that matches your vibe. Happy smileys for upbeat moments, hearts for sweet scenes, or expressive faces for drama. Once you've picked one, fine-tune it so it fits your edit. Drag the effect layer on the timeline to the exact moment you want it to start and end. If there's a big beat or punchline, nudge the start so the first emoji pops right on cue. Adjust the intensity or density to control how many emojis appear, and tweak size so they complement your subject rather than distract. If there's a speed or frequency control, slow it down for subtlety or speed it up for energy. If the effect isn't sitting perfectly around the person, make sure body tracking is enabled and let it redetect. Slight timeline adjustments often fix misalignment. Keep the effect on screen for just long enough to sell the emotion. Usually a few seconds is ideal. Play it back from a few seconds earlier to check flow. If anything feels too busy, simplify. Smaller size, lower intensity, shorter duration. And that's it. You've created the emoji effect in CapCut. Save your project, and you're ready to share a fun, expressive edit.